You guys asked for it. You got 4 likes for the last episode. So we are going to play more Sims. Yeah. More Sims. So yeah, let's start a delivery reward. So that's done. No, why's it up now? Okay. That's nice stuff. Oh, whoa. How do I change character? This is where you would kick. Character? Nope. There's 2. Let's go here. Let's here. Let's see. Let's go for the living room. How do we go for the living room? Classic coffee table. That's what I wanted. This is what I've been wanting. Hey! Come over here. Let's put it there. That's a good place. What else? Elegant bookcase. Yeah, why not? Sorry about in the background. Yeah, like that. Is there a way to get walls? Because I'd really like some walls. Walls. What? What did I just do? I don't know what I just did. Okay, and that's done. What else? Let's have like a little dining room thing. Let's just go for a black dining table there. Oh, I don't have enough. Damn. Anyways, let's see. I want 275. Can I see what my dude has? I want to switch. I want to switch. Yeah, cause it... Okay. Let's go to this. I really want to switch characters. Not at the park. Nope, not at the park. Seriously, I don't know what they're doing. Anyways, why do I keep clicking that? Oh wait, are they both together? That's you. Hey, dude. Be romantic. Slow down, hot shot. Okay. Can I? No. I want to switch. Yes. Okay. Let's see. I took at least an hour, seriously. I can have a big city around. Okay, I wanna bring my dude back. This is just so annoying. I don't even know what to do. So, let's go here. click on person. Her birthday. Can I send myself home? Because I don't know how to do anything. No. Right. Let's see. No. Oh, I can tap where it goes. Okay. Don't know how to hit time. Huh. Come on. Come across. Seriously, I mean... resources. Can I get my dude home, please? Anyways, where's my dude? How do I get him back? Okay. 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 So what I'm thinking about doing in this episode is at least trying to get these two together. We'll try at least. Right. Let's see. Yeah. Be nice. Hello. Yes. While they're being nice, I am going to okay. I want to put my dude. Let's do that. Right now, I want to change her place up a bit. I want her to have quite a nice house. How do I get some more stuff? I want to have a nice house. Okay. Make that a bit bigger. Electronics. Okay, what we got? PC. We'll get that level 9. Bedroom. Oh. Okay. Cool. Okay. Fasten. Oh my god, he's bulky. How long is it gonna be? 5 minutes, wow. Anyways, so I'm thinking about this episode, at least getting some more people in. Yes. I haven't built another house, guys. So I guess this is how I get the money. Yeah. There's so much stuff I can do in Sims. Well, I guess this is gonna be quite a bad day today. Is there a way? Okay, so I'm gonna get this dude to leave. Let's just be funny for a bit. I guess I'll just get this. We'll change up this girl's house a bit, and then I'll end the video because this has been very bad. I don't know how to make him leave. Doesn't leave, so yeah. Let's go for Windows. I do not have enough. So for this, move and sell. And to get rid of this TV. What else? What else I don't like here? I don't like this thing. Yeah, so I'm just gonna sell some stuff, but I'm just gonna empty both of these rooms like this, and like I can't sell that. Okay then, put that. Leave it then. Can I get rid of this though? Yes I can. Okay, that's not done. Bedroom. Oh, that's a red bed. Can't get anything. Can't get a bed. Okay then. Well guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Sorry it was quite bad. It was just me doing stuff, but I'll hopefully make it better. This time, let's go for at least, you know what, let's triple it. Let's go for 12 likes. If this video can get 12 likes, I know it's going to be rough for me to say that, but if it does, I shall make another Sims video. But apart from that, that's it from me. Adios guys.